Hey everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I really want to show you guys how to do your own nails. I found a lot of videos lately on this on TikTok, so I really want to try it out myself. To save yourself like $30, $40 each time, then let's go ahead and get started with the video. Let's go. You should have seen the way that you bloom. Alright, we're going to grab some warm water and we're going to soak our fingers in it for about 15 minutes. This will soften up our cuticles, so we're going to start prepping our nails. If spring is the season. So I have this cuticle tool that I had for some time now. I'm going to use this to clean up the nail beds and just push back my cuticles. Now I'm just taking my skin cutter and going around my cuticles and cleaning things up, and yes, I know I could be a little bit more gentle. Grabbing my nail kit that I got off of Amazon, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below if you want to grab one just like this. It comes with a bunch of different nail sizes that you can, use to find the best one that fits your nail bed. And I'm just going through all of my nails because it's easier for me to just find all that, set it to the side, and then start the process. All the leaves are turning brown, 'cause it still. And if you ever forget which nail is what because it's all mixed up, there's like a little number on the tip of the nail so you can find out that way. Now I'm just buffing out all my nails because the nail glue sticks better on a rough surface rather than a smooth one. I'm grabbing the polish set from the nail kit and looking for the base coat because we're going to put that on first. Actually forgot I'm going to grab this dehydrator because you want to remove all the oils from your nail beds. Remember not to touch your nails again after you put this dehydrator on because you're just adding the oils back onto your nail beds. Now you're going to go ahead and put the base on all your nails and have it cure under the UV light for about 30 seconds. So now for the next coat, you're going to grab the gel nail glue and put that on all your fingers and have that cure for another 30 seconds. The nail kit also comes with this UV light, and I think it's really great because you can use this when you're flash curing. So what you're doing next is just putting a little bit of the nail glue onto the nail tip, and then you're going to place that onto your nails. Try not to have any air bubbles as much as possible, and then you're going to flash cure for about another 30 seconds or so. It should look something like this, and you're going to go ahead and do that to the rest of your nails. Make sure you press on it as hard as you can while you're doing your flash cure, and you don't want to have any air bubbles because you want this to last as long as possible, or else it's going to start lifting after a couple of days, and this should last you 2 to 3 weeks. So you can definitely do this method on press-on nails as well. I used to do that, but I didn't realize that you can't do it on colored nails. You need to do it on clear nails, or at least nails that are still a little bit transparent. Now I'm going to grab my tip cutter and just cut down the nail length that I want. You can definitely leave it if this is the nail length that you like, but it's just way too long for me. So this is my bad. I usually go for almond nails and I got coffin instead, so that's why I need to file down my nails into the almond shape that I like. But if you like the coffin nails and you bought the coffin nail tips, then you can just totally skip this step. So this is how it turned out. I know it's not the best, but I'm not a professional, so it is what it is. I'm grabbing my nail polish that I want and just painting that down as my base. And yeah, I am terrible at painting, so for those nail technicians out there, please don't judge me. I know it's bad, but I am saving myself some money by doing it myself at home. Now that I got my white polish down, I'm just going to cure for 60 seconds prior to me putting on another coat. And I'm going to go in with the silver as my next layer. So I tried the pink one in this nail kit with the gold, and it actually looked a lot nicer, but I already painted it on my nails, so I just kind of had to stick with it. And now cured again, and yes, I did end up adding some gold onto this nails because the silver just doesn't do it for me, and I want it to be extra. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on my top coat and cure that, and voila, I am done with all my nails. Magic. For the final step, I'm just going to put on some nourishing oil onto your cuticles, just reviving it back to hydrated again from all the stuff that you just did. And there you go, you got your finished nails, and I think I just saved myself about $30 or so. Hope you guys like it. So this is how the nails turned out. What did you guys think? Focus. This is what it looks like. Pretty. These are way too long to type with, so it's just for now for vacation. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!